Mastering where in English questions. Ask like a pro. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we'll focus on one of the most commonly used question words. Where? Where is used to ask about locations, and knowing how to use it correctly can drastically improve your English conversation skills. So, let's jump right into it. Where is a question word that we use to ask about the location of something or someone. It is an integral part of many questions in English, and it can be used in both formal and informal situations. Here are some examples. Where is the bathroom? Where can I find a good restaurant? Where are you from? Where can be used in a variety of question types. Let's break it down. 1. Direct questions. These questions are straightforward and ask for specific information. Examples. 2. Where is your house? 3. Where does she work? 4. Indirect questions. These questions are usually more polite and formal. They often start with phrases like, "Could you tell me?" or "Do you know?" Examples. 5. Could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is? 6. Do you know where he lives? 7. Yes, no questions. Sometimes, where can also appear in questions that require a yes or no answer. These questions typically begin with is, are, do, etc. Examples. 8. Is this where you live? 9. Are we where we're supposed to be? When responding to where questions, it's crucial to provide the location being asked for. This could be a specific place, a city, a country, or even directions. For example, if someone asks, "Where is the restaurant?" you might answer, "It's on Main Street, next to the library." Mastering the use of where in English questions can be a game changer in your conversations. Remember, practice is key to becoming more comfortable and confident. Try to use where in your daily conversations and see the difference it makes. Thank you for joining me today, and keep practicing. We hope this lesson helps you ask and answer where questions with ease. See you in the next video.